My name is Maria Bolaños Muñoz. I am multimedia and web development student and my instructor Gloria Cataño. My name is Maria Bolaños Muñoz. In his presentation, he will talk about how technology advances specialty. It is the digital field have transformed what activity and title with house as with has the cultural change tanches at generation. Introduction and the field of multimedia and web development, the evolution of digital short programming language, mobile platforms, and interactive technology, and transforming the way they think, communicate, and produce content. Evolutionary versus revolutionary per evolutionary. Adobe Photoshop 1906 dynamic and respectively web space revolutionary. Artificial intelligence and design augmented reality and virtual reality for interactive expression. The hand development automotive with generative AI. Culture and validation. Technology and now architectural both have also transformed work and educational cultures. Remote work and online collaboration, digital communication through platforms such as chat or chats, great autonomy and self-management of time, continuous learning, and constant hoping. In conclusion, I believe that technology and innovation will continue to transform my field of study by in constantly learning marches with platform and adapting to change with the key to activity professional choices in the area of multimedia and web development. Thank you so much.